This is greatly exaggerated, and I'm going to explain why and why we should not support embryonic stem cell research. Many people believe that embryonic stem cells can cure anything, and today I'd like to persuade you that experimenting and researching embryonic stem cell research is wrong and incorrect. According to my audience analysis, 11 out of 20 people in the classroom do not know what stem cells are, and of the people that do, 2 people support it and the rest don't. Okay, I'd like to start off by explaining what embryonic stem cells are. They're grown from cells inside the embryo at an early stage, and some of these cells are pluripotent, which means that they can make every type of cell in the body. So basically what they do is, with these cells, they could inject maybe like a skin cell maybe, and they would inject it inside of those cells, and they would multi-produce, I guess you could say. They would create more and more skin cells of that DNA. The problem, though, is that in order to retrieve these cells, they use a needle to inject into it. The embryo dies. In order to do this research, they need a large amount of ovaries and eggs or whatever, and so this is where the donors step in. And they're injected with a drug that produces an abnormal large number of eggs which can cause severe health problems in ovarian hyperstimulation syndrome, according to Mayo Clinic staff, which can be fatal and harms the woman's body. It has been known to cause, there's small symptoms and then there's the fatal ones. The smaller ones are cramping, headaches, fevers, but the fatal ones can cause strokes and death. And one reason that I believe that it should not be supported is that not one single person has been cured using embryonic stem cells, and people continue to support the research and experimenting on it, and a lot of resources are being used on it. In fact, just placing the embryonic stem cells in the body can cause uncontrollable tumors. And they've only tested this on mice, so they haven't even tried it on humans yet. And people are being affected by this. Scientists have been researching this embryonic stem cell research for many years and only keep failing. Money, time, resources are continuously being wasted. And it's causing a lot of controversy because of the embryo. It's like a divide between people. Some people believe that embryos, once they're fertilized, are alive, and other people don't. So this is also causing controversy between the public, and is another reason why it shouldn't be funded anymore. A better solution that should be supported and funded more is adult stem cells. According to Dr. Bethesda from the National Institutes of Health, the adult stem cell can renew itself and can differentiate to yield some or all of the major specialized cell types of the tissue or organ, which basically means it can also turn into any type of cell that may be needed. With more research, they can actually use this and make it usable the way they want to use it. In 2001, Düsseldorf University Clinic actually used stem cells to treat a cardiac infarct patient with a severely damaged heart. And afterwards, like a week later, after using treatment, it was some clear improvement. It was a clear improved heart in weeks only, not years but weeks. And this is a better solution instead of embryonic stem cells, and people should support this and fund this more. I've told you about embryonic stem cells and how they work, and why we need to stop supporting it, and why we should support adult stem cell research instead. So we need to stop this, and we need to inform people more about this, because a lot of people believe that embryonic stem cell research is for the better, but it is not, because it is going nowhere, and we should fund adult stem cell research instead. Thank you for your time.
I learned so much. You talked so much. Good job. Jasmine, we got an international break.
International break.
Whatever the fuck you call it.
Intermission? Have you? No, I'm after Jasmine. I think it's YouTube.
Let's get the music going, guys.
I think there's only 3 of us left. Rosemary's the little short. Rosemary just left.
She just left.
Oh, she's done.
The one that doesn't really talk, she's a little shy.
Oh, she's done. Okay. Oh, she's okay. Oh wait, yeah. Yeah, no, it's you 2 left. So hurry up. Rosemary already went. I guess, because she left. So it's you. Oh, sorry. I can't.
Look at my little fat babies.
Oh my gosh, I'm on the last one to go.
Oh, I love this song.
I should say longer in here.
Hey, that's the little kid that be on the little videos.
Oh yeah, that is.
I thought it was cute.
But when you should have got the one with the dude that had the messed up haircut.
There's like people right there just in time. You know the camera's so good. Oh yeah.
Watch it and like, what the heck is this? Where did they get these pictures from?